See, they have an O-ring.
Yeah,
They have
it has an O-ring, and then it's just.
I don't know why they don't come that way, but I guess not. Put this guy on this side. There's a black O-ring right there.
Yeah, I see him in there.
Put this bad boy in.
He just slides right in, and that's all.
It presses right in. Yep. And then these will be your slide pins when they get tightened up on the knuckle, on the steering knuckle.
That's perfect.
So that's basically. So we're actually good to go. We'll put some. I have some high temp grease we'll put on these. And then we gotta slap a set of pads in it. So
yeah. So there's no clip on this design. He has
where
to
would
rest.
the clip go? The clip,
I guess he rests right there.
See, the clip goes in the piston. This doesn't have it, so it can't go anywhere. Yeah. If this has tension though, so it's supposed to hold it. You know what I mean? When it's in the.
Yeah, once it's under
but
pressure.
you can literally see how loose it is.
So
you know what I'm saying? This holds because it has these, and technically you could bend these to make it. Oh, you
and
can't.
It has the bolt.
Oh, you can't. Yeah, you can't. Because it's blocked. So on the factory one, you could actually bend it, but you can't. So I think that is just made for the tension of the thing, and that's it.
And that's will do it.
You know.
Okay, guys. So the bolts go in and they hang on these ears. We put the tack on it, so that way it can stay in place while we're putting it in, so that way we don't have any chutter and it doesn't sound like a school bus. Okay guys, so he's mounting the WILWOOD caliper right now. These are the slide bolts, so there is no brake clip that holds the pads to the caliper. So the only thing that holds it in is these. So he's obviously gonna lube these up with special grease. Yep. Ceramic fortified, because clearly these will have a very hard job because the pads actually have tabs. One has a hole, and then the one in the back that just kept falling out it rides on the shaft of this bolt here. So can't really talk much on this design, but hoping it works. Seems a little interesting, not exactly what we're used to. We're gonna find out if it's good or not. I think you might have to move this guy.
Put this guy on.
You already said it. You already said it. You already said it.
So putting them on went straight forward for just about everything besides tacking that back pad and making everything that we can to keep that back pad from falling out when you go to put it on. Outside of that back pad that faces the two pistons, straightforward assembly. So we'll see how everything works. So we got the brake lines attached with the two copper washers, giving the human torque wrench. And everything is in at this point.